Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Kimmy's here.
Hi guys, morning.
So it's just me and her today in the kitchen. Mom is in here, so two of us are just here. And today we're going to be doing just like a little, you kind of say breakfast smoothie kind of thing. Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're gonna show you the ingredients that we have and what we're using in the next clip.
Okay guys, we're making banana chocolate smoothie. So we have the banana here, frozen ripe banana. We're not going to use any ice, so we're going to use less liquid.
And the liquid is the milk that we're using today. This is some oats. This is it's pre-soaked, so when you blend it up,
it kind of gets smooth and softer.
This is just some Nesquik chocolate, but you can use any other something that you have in there. If you want, you can omit the chocolate altogether too. If you want,
or you can use Oreo or something.
Then the flaxseed. This is peanut butter.
Yeah, peanut butter gives smoothie a really nice flavor. It's a nice taste.
And then
we have the flaxseed.
There's just a little bit, and don't need much. Or if you have any other
seeds where you guys use,
and then just a little bit of vanilla. We have white vanilla today. That's what we're gonna use. So we're going to put everything that we have in the blender and show you. So the banana first, and you can put in the oats.
Think we're gonna use so much oats?
No, man, I think you've put in all of the oats in now.
Like that. Make it
like that. That good.
Oh, what's that?
Alright, so peanut butter.
Sure, we're not gonna need a little more oats. This is enough.
Yeah, that's enough peanut butter.
So we don't want more?
I think we want more oats, you know. And then the flaxseed.
Flaxseed tight.
No. Yeah, for something they
lift it up.
Yeah. It's one of those. Careful.
I'm so weak.
No, there's something in there, so the rubber in there. Kind of. That's supposed to go. Yeah, I don't want too much flaxseed.
I don't want too much of this thing.
The chocolate, because it can well, I like a little bit more than mine.
You want more than?
No, that's good. Since
no, when I use so much chocolate thing, it can be bitter.
You can probably take off the taste side sometimes if you put too much of it. A little bit of vanilla.
You know, we have that. You can use the glitter almond.
Oh, yeah, almond essence. No?
Yeah. I use the glitter.
Okay.
Can I use the glitter? No, let me put this on. We have a pinch of salt.
Salt definitely for going there. You know, I forgot that last time I did do it.
I need enough of this now because it's strong.
It's strong. I forgot to put salt in there.
Just
a little bit of the salt.
You don't need a pinch. You have always, when you have them something, you have always have a little pinch of salt. So
it's not irritable.
Yeah. So I have a little pinch of salt, guys.
I think you can put in a little bit more oats. Looking back at it here. Just a little bit more. Yeah, that good. Alright. And then just a little bit of milk.
You do taste, so if you blend it first, I don't really get
like
the taste.
Yeah, you can just fix it up after. Think that good.
You sure? Oh, so this one more milk. I remember say the oats.
I forgot how
the oats stick.
Deep this thing is here, you know. Alright, that's supposed to be.
Look at it more. If it's thin, we can just use the oats.
Yeah.
I just make it get thick.
Alright. So we're going to put it on the blending unit behind us now. Alright guys, so we're putting it on the blending unit now, and it has to stay like that. It's already plugged in, so once you plug in and you put it on the blending unit, it starts up. So we're gonna put it on smoothie, and then it just sorry about it, that's just how it is. Not look too thin.
Yeah, that one more. Stop it. You look too thin, so
pass the oats them, put a little bit more inside there.
So guys, you see it kind of little on the thinner side, so we're gonna add a little more.
Just so put a little bit more of the oats.
Put it all like.
Put the rest of the oats.
I don't want it too thick. A smoothie we make a milkshake.
And a milkshake.
I can't
It's not
bother.
be that thick. It's not have to be that thick. Oh.
Like the fact say it stop.
Yeah, yeah. It's have to blend completely.
What's up with for 1 minute?
Yeah, that's how it. Yeah, normally put it on a minute. That's just the amount of time.
The blender is so short too.
So see it there, like it's tickle.
I used when the oats sleep in it, it'll get thicker.
Yeah, it will get thicker. Alright, so it should be good now. I'm going to pour it out. It smells really nice.
Yeah, I can show you.
So
2 guineas now, you know.
you remove it. Alright, we're gonna pour some. Just show you guys. See there? Not too thin, not too thick. When I think about it, thicker than this.
That's my one, you know.
That's yours, yes, of course.
So guys, we are finished with the smoothie. And mega grade coffee because
You know,
she made
because I know the two we put something together.
No. Guys, I feel our ingredients. We're just there and just assist.
She just there for the mango.
So,
Alright, so I gotta try it.
let me taste mine first and then we tell you how you do.
Alright. Taste alright? Kimmey are the worst person for rate something, you know.
Mama, taste it again now. Yeah, it tastes alright. It's not too sweet.
It's not too sweet, exactly.
Yeah, because they use the banana.
Yeah, I never use an extra sugar.
The sweetness. Yeah, it's she get her 9 out of 10.
What? Good eye. Alright, let me try it.
It's not too. It's true. It's not too sweet. It's not too.
It's not too sweet. It's not too thick. And then the oats in there and something. This can definitely fill you up pretty good.
Yeah.
The guineas are good in the truth.
You see, you get good grade, you know. And here we are going. Yeah, guys, it tastes really nice. I'm a breakfast.
Yes, so this is our breakfast smoothie thing here. So thanks for watching, guys. This is just also a short video for today. Kimmey is going to be posting up her mukbang later from last week. Yeah, so she's going to be posting that up later, so look out for it. And this is just our little video of the week here. Next week her and mom will be back again to try recipes and make what you're drinking. Her and mom will be here back again next week to try, you know, different recipes and stuff like that. So this is just for me and her today. So bye.